Oh, that's actually a semi.
Okay. I feel stupid doing this vlog. Or I guess it's a review. Anyway, so I got a Nature Backs t-shirt. I saw like an advertisement for it on Instagram one time. I was like, ooh, that's really visco worthy, and I really liked all their designs that they had. So I've just kind of been looking at them for a while, and I was like, but they're expensive, so I haven't bought one. But then, sorry. So then, the other day, I got an email and they were like, new design. I was like, ooh, that's really cute. And so I went on there and I got to spin the wheel again, so this was the second time I got to spin the wheel. Very exciting for your coupon. Anyway, so I got 20% off and a free sticker. I was like, wow, I'm so fortunate. I got that the last time too. And I've done this, I've been able to spin the wheel 4 times now, and it wasn't until the 3rd time that I realized that it's the same, you just get the same thing every time. So that's not, you think like, oh, what am I gonna get this time? And it's just the same thing. Anyway, so they just kind of, it's just hype. It's nothing real, it's not real. It's just 20% off plus a free sticker. That's what you're gonna get if you give them your email. Anyway, so I got the shirt. So we got it here. I haven't opened it yet. So I'm gonna open it. It's just like this. Real fancy. Let's see if I can cut the t-shirt on the inside. I got the Prism design, I think that's what it was called, and I got a little bracelet. Ooh, it's really rad. Is this the sticker? Okay, it just fell on the floor. Come on. Very rad. Is that the one sticker I get? Just that? It's nothing great. Is this a sticker? Okay, this, it's bent. I'm getting a leaf. Okay, so I got the Prism design and the, what was it? Spruce color. I'm so excited. And I got it in a size large because I needed to make sure it fit my body. So here's the front. I'll try to get it. Okay, very cute. It's very soft. I love it. I don't know what kind of material it is. It's 100% cotton, that's it. Cool. Paid $20 for a 100% cotton t-shirt. Okay, anyway, the design's super cute on the back. So, it feels like, it's probably in my head, it's not real, but it's like, it feels like the best t-shirt I've ever felt. I'm gonna go try it on real quick, and then come back and see how it fits. Might shrink, I don't know if it's pretty shrunk or not, but okay, we're back. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, so I got it on. It's super comfortable. It's a little big. I know you can get, it's like free returns, or you can get it exchanged pretty easy, I guess. It's a little big. You can't see my face. I don't care. It's a little big, but it's comfortable. Will I buy from them again? I don't know. Is it worth $20? Probably not, but it's cute. So, I mean, if you're gonna go, I don't know, I guess it's like any t-shirt. I guess really no t-shirt's worth $20, $25, but I don't know. I'm pretty basic, so like, I'll probably buy from them again because I like it. It is very soft. It's a special kind of cotton. But yeah, so that's my review. As far as the sticker goes, it's not even that cool. Like, is this actually a sticker? I don't want this. This one's kind of cool, but whatever. Anyway. Okay, so nature pack shirt, really comfortable. Can't see my face. Yeah. It's cute. I like it. Is that it? Oh yeah. This is pretty cool. I like it. Stretchy. Should fit anybody. Maybe, I don't know. But okay, so that's it. That's my review. Please listen to me. I have a credible opinion. I think, is there anything else I wanted to say?